What's good everyone, welcome to this tutorial about how to use color harmony in Procreate. Color harmony is an essential part of digital art and it can really help you create some visually stunning designs and artworks which will blow people away. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use color harmony in Procreate, so let's not waste any time and jump straight in. Step 1, understanding color harmony. Color harmony is the concept of combining colors in a visually appealing way. There are various color harmonies, some of which are complementary, analogous, triadic, tetradic, and monochromatic. Each of these harmonies has its own unique set of characteristics, all of which can be used to create some amazing effects and looks within your artwork. Step 2 is choosing a color harmony. To choose a color harmony, we're going to tap on the color wheel at the very top right hand of the screen, and then we're going to make sure we have harmony selected across the bottom here. It might be set to classic. If it is, make sure we change it to harmony. Once we've got that selected, we're going to notice at the top here where it says colors, right below it, it's actually going to say which color harmony we have selected at the moment, and we can tap on that and change it. Let's change it to triadic, and when we go ahead and select a color, we're going to be able to use these colors here, and our artwork is going to be in a triadic color harmony. Step 3, applying color harmony to your artwork. Now that we've selected a color harmony, it's time that we're going to add that to our artwork. To do this, it's very, very simple. We're going to tap on our screen here. That's going to close the color selection tool. We're going to tap on our layers, and we're going to add a new layer over the top of the piece we're working on. This is going to allow us to make as many changes or iterations as we want, and it's not going to affect that original piece. If you do want to learn more about this, please check out the video at the top of the screen I made recently. It will help a lot. From here, all we have to do is make sure we have the brush that we want selected. Maybe in this case, we use a soft pastel. And then we can come back to the color selection screen. We're on harmony, which is perfect. And then we can literally tap on any of these, we can move them around, and as long as we have the right color harmony selection here, let's put it back on complementary. I know that my piece is going to be using complementary color harmony. From here, tap on the color and we can start designing. Step 4, adjusting your color harmony. If you want to make adjustments to your color harmony, it's very, very simple. All we want to do is make sure we tap back on our color selection at the top right hand of the screen, and then we can go ahead and we can move these colors around. We can change what type of color harmony we want. Let's pop it into tetradic just over here. And then we can, again, move these colors around. We can change the hue and saturation down here. This is going to allow us to make some nice adjustments, but make sure everything is staying in that harmony. Step 5, using the color drop tool for color harmony. One of the most useful tools when you are working with color harmonies within Procreate is the color drop tool. This is going to allow you to fill in pieces of your artwork very quickly with those chosen colors from your color harmony. It's very easy to use. All we're going to do is we're going to make sure we have the color we want. Let's start with this nice dusky purple color. We're going to minimize that, and then we're going to tap and hold on the color, and we're going to drag it over to our design. It's going to fill in a part we want, and then we're going to simply select continue filling. This is going to be great. Then we can tap on different parts of the design that we want to fill with that color, and it's going to use that color that we have selected. We can also tap back on the color options up here, select the next color, and keep doing the same thing. This is going to be a great way to move really fast, but to make sure everything's within the same harmony. In conclusion, color harmony is an essential aspect to digital art. If you use it right, you can create some visually appealing and stunning pieces of artwork that'll absolutely blow people away. By understanding these harmonies, doing more research after this video, and implementing them within your works, I think you're really going to be able to see your artwork go to a whole other level, and people will be complimenting you in no time about your understanding of color theory and using color harmonies. Thank you so much for watching. A like and subscribe would really help me bring you these videos each and every week. So until the next video, I'll catch you next time.